Hello everyone, and welcome to the phone screen solution for the social network company Mock Interview. So for this problem, you had to remove duplicate characters in a given string, keeping only the first occurrences. So for example, if the input was tree traversal, your output would be TRE space AVSL, as you remove duplicate E's, T's, and R's. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the solution. So as we're going through the string, we're going to need some sort of data structure to keep track of the characters we've seen so far. And we also need one that can perform efficient find operations. So in this case, a set data structure perfectly suits our purpose. It stores keys and then provides constant time search for each existence. So we're going to loop over the characters in the string, and at each iteration, we'll check whether we have seen the current character before searching the set. If it's in the set, then it means we've seen it before, so we ignore it. Otherwise, we include it in the result and add it to the set to keep track for future reference. So let's go ahead and code this out so it's a bit easier to understand. Let's go ahead and call our function remove duplicates. And we'll input, let's just put input S. And then we're going to say results equals an empty list. And the reason for that is at the end, what we're going to do is join that list. So in Python, I can do this here. There's no space in between these single quotes, and it's basically going to join every item in that list together without a space in between. I could put anything I want here, and that would put that whatever symbol or letter or character you put. So if I wanted to join everything with a comma, but in this case, since I just want a single string, I'm just going to join them with no spaces. Then I'm going to create another variable called seen, and I'll set that as an empty set. And then here's what we're going to do. We're going to go for every character in the string, if that character is not in seen, then I'm going to add it, seen.add that character. And then I'm going to take my result and append that character. And that's really it here. So the time complexity of this algorithm is O(n), where n is the number of characters in the input string. And because set supports an order 1 or big O(1) constant, insert and find. So this is really the optimal solution, and it's a really common string interview question. So this problem hopefully feels pretty familiar. There's a similar one asked in the array section of the course. And remember that a lot of basic interview question ideas overlap, just their presentation is different. So again, this was a pretty basic problem. That's why it was just a phone screen. The main trick or key to this problem was figuring out that a set is a really good way to go in this case. You just go for every character in that string. If you haven't seen that character yet, so it's not in that set, you just add that character to the set and then result.append that character. And then at the end, at least for Python, you can join everything in that list together as a string with this join command. All right, that's really it for this phone screen solution. I'll see you at the next lecture with another solution. Thanks, everyone.